Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Tile Tool Tuesday here. We've got the new tabletop tile saw by SKIL. Let's open it up, put it together, and make some cuts. So here we are, 5 amp, 7 inch tabletop tile saw, adjustable rip fence, aluminum tabletop. It can bevel or miter at 22.5 or 45, hydro-lock water system, 7-inch blade, sliding side extension table for larger format tiles, and secure feet. SKIL has been around for a long time with their tabletop tile saws. Their original is extremely popular among DIYers, homeowners, contractors. This one has a lot more bells and whistles and helps to cut larger tiles. Here's your extension arm for the larger tiles. For your bevel, 22.5 and 45. This is where the blade is installed. Water reservoir, on and off switch. It feels good. It feels lightweight. It's small and it's compact. Here's the diamond blade by SKIL. Feels like a quality blade to me. Your fence, light aluminum. Easy installation. A cheap plastic gauge for your diagonal cuts. And here is your blade guard to keep the water mess to a minimum. Let's put this thing together, plug it in, fill it with water, and see how well it cuts. I've got to say, this is a well-made blade guard. Spring-loaded, a few adjustments, easy to move up and down, clear. Let's add some water. It's all plugged in, let's turn it on. This thing has a very quiet motor. So far, so good. It's small, it's compact, quiet motor, nice extension arm, good little aluminum table, nice guard, quality looking blade. First cut will be glass sheeted mosaic. Not a bad cut, very, very clean. Let's move on to a 12 by 24. A very clean cut with this hard porcelain. SKIL supplied a really nice diamond blade with this saw. Last, we cut this porcelain sheeted pan tile. And there we go, a very easy cut. Very clean, no chipping. Now, I had a lot of people, a lot of subscribers asking me to review this new SKIL tile saw, so there you are. It's a great little saw. I don't see any flaws with this. As usual, I'll leave links down there in the description with pricing on this and more specs if you want to check it out. great, compact little tile saw to set up close to where you are installing to speed up productivity. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to tap like, tap subscribe, tap the bell notification, and I'll see you on the next one.